tayo ng mangosteen. Bumili ako ng 1 kilo. Masarap. Tapos yung balat niya. Ano? Masarap siya. Matamis siya. So nice. It's so nice. Ang sweet niya. Alam niyo ba kung magkano lang to? Ano lang to? $1 1 kilo. Tapos yung balat niya, tsaka yung buto, yung balat niya huhugasan ko. And then, iboboil ko, iinumin ko yung pinag-boilingan. Kasi, maganda itong ano, sa katawan. You see? So nice, right? So yummy. Ang liliit ng buto niya. You see that? You see that? When you press, this one is too hard. This one is too hard. Oh my God. But this one okay. This one is too hard. I cannot even press. The auntie teach me. She told me. Press. See. Yo, so nice, right? So yummy, so yummy. Why this one so hard? How to open it very hard? I think I need to use knife. Will stain on my hand. See. Look. So yummy. So yummy. You see that? See that when you press, when you open here. See, so nice, right? I still want to eat this one drop on. Don't drop. This one quite hard. I don't know whether this one is right. I take wrong. But I don't know how to open when this one. Maybe I use knife. One more time. One more time. Yeah. One more time. So nice. Oh, so nice. So nice. Sobrang tamis niya. Okay. Thank you.